The storm destroyed everything. Crops gone, dreams buried, and the farmer stood alone. Years of work washed away in one night. Neighbors said, "It's over. Quit." Even his own heart whispered, "Give up." But he remembered his father's last words. The soil tests you, the storm teaches you, but only quitting defeats you. So while others walked away, he planted again. Not because it was easy, but because giving up was harder. Weeks passed. Nothing grew. Doubt screamed. Hope whispered. Then one morning life returned. Not loudly, not dramatically, just quietly.
Storms don't end your story. Quitting does.
Your storm isn't the end. Plant again. Try again. Stand again. Don't give up. Your harvest is coming.